put your gloves on. Let's tie-dye today. So as always, it is a 100% cotton shirt. This one is a large. It has been soaking in a soda ash water solution for 20 minutes or more, and then wrung out or spun out in the wash machine until damp. First, we're gonna find the middle of the shirt. So I'm folding it in half. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like, we're not worried about wrinkles. We just want the middle of the shirt. So we're gonna fold it in half by lining up our seams and our sleeves. Here we go. And then we're gonna fold it in half. I'm trying to find the center of my shirt. And so I'm gonna fold it in half again to the top of the neck. Okay, so here's our center. I'm gonna mark that with my washable marker. And now when we fold open the shirt, here's our center. We are only going to be working for the design on the front of the shirt, not the back. So I'm folding. Let me do this so you can see more of what. Yes. So from the collar to the hem. Just gonna shake out the shirt. So here's the back and the sleeves of the shirt. This is just the front of the shirt, okay? And we are doing our best to fold it in half again by putting our little mark in the middle. Because this is gonna be the center of our flower here. And then we're going to go out from there and make our petals here, and then the rest is going to be a green garden background. Okay, so this is going to be the middle of our shirt, and so I'm going to pinch that together like so. And I'm going to rubber band this here. And I just want the center of my flower to be like so. Okay, then we're going to take it out again. Pull it together, and I'm gonna go about, I don't know, that's 4 or 5 inches maybe, and this is gonna be our flower, and I'm gonna put one more rubber band here. Simple, simple, simple design. So this is gonna be our flower. Okay, there we go. And then for the rest of our shirt, as you can see, so here's our design in the middle of our shirt, and we're just gonna crinkle this. Okay, just crinkle. let's go dye it.
Okay, we have a lot of color here. Think of it like a painting and we're making layers. So we're going to be using lemon yellow, golden yellow, amber waves, otter brown, bright green, wasabi, dragonfruit, hot pink, and coral pink. So we're going to be layering in color. And most of it's going to be up here in your greens, okay? I need to pull that down, I think. Maybe. We'll live. Hang on. I do want to pull that in, now that I think about it. And one rubber band will do it. There we go. So I'm going to start down here with a layer of some lemon yellow, golden yellow, a little bit of amber waves, and the otter brown is going to be just tiny 4 or 5 drops because we're making seeds with that, okay? So up at the rubber band, I'm going to do lemon yellow. I'm going to start with my lightest colors first, okay? And that much. Where's my towel? Okay. And then from there, I'm going to go into the tip with the golden yellow. It's okay if they run into each other, it's fine. Really. That's what it's because it's Big Daddy's in a meeting, gotta shut the door. Okay, then I'm gonna do a little bit of this amber wave. And I'm gonna put that here towards the top over the yellow. Right next to that rubber band, okay? I'm gonna show you. It's already on the other side. We don't have to worry about it. We're blending colors. Now I'm going to use my otter brown. And I'm going to let it, I'm not even going to squeeze it. I'm just going to let a couple of drops, because that's going to be my seeds. And I messed it up. Okay, and we're going to leave that. That's going to be our middle. It'll look cool, we just won't have seeds. Now we see how we survive in tie-dye. Now here's our petals, okay? And so in our petals, we got coral pink. And if you look at a flower, you can see the colors start from the center and work out, darker to lighter, or they go just the opposite, right? So I'm going to do a pretty generous coral pink around here around the top. And then what I'm going to do is take it to the hot pink, which is a little lighter, and let them overlap. And then I want to take my dragon fruit down here. Now I'm going to support this because I don't want the pink to run into this. So I'm going to support this with something once I turn it over. Cooks has found my boxes. That's the gist of the middle of your flower and your flower petals. So now we're going to work up. This is your garden. This is your brown leaves and your green leaves and everything in your garden. Right there. That will be perfect.
And so here I'm going to work in my greens and my browns. And I'm going to use the little bit of the amber waves to go in. And that's about it. That's it. And then my bright green. Actually, I got a wee bit of wasabi here. So I'm going to go in with the wasabi. But I'm going to save some for the other side. And I'm going to go with my bright green. Pretty liberal. Okay. Now let's turn it over. And look, I got some wasabi in there, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm going to turn it over. I don't need to do anything else with the middle of the flower or the petals. They're perfect. They're absolutely perfect. We're just going to do some more amber waves here. We're going to use the rest of the wasabi. And finish it off with the bright green on this crinkle. And this is really thick. We're going to have some white in there, I hope. That's the goal. Okay. "24 hours. So here it is. I love how the white did come through, because it's almost like the sunshine coming through the leaves onto your flower. And then so you can see the layering of the color from the coral to the hot pink to the dragon fruit, and then we have our middle of our flower with all of our different layers in there as well. And the back is just a nice mottled green and brown on the back. These are just really sweet shirts. If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put this in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. My channel is loaded with tons of content, from tie-dye to jewelry making to spirituality, cooking, crocheting, just a smattering of my life. And you can find these designs that we've made together and more on my Etsy store. And I'll make sure I put a link to that in the description box below. Thanks for hanging out. Look what we did today. Had a lot of fun making a tie-dye flower on a shirt. And remember, be peaceful and be kind. It's important. Stay safe out there. I'll talk to you soon.